Hey guys, welcome back. Here on my desk we have an iPod Classic 5th generation that I have disassembled. Okay, so you may be wondering, oh shit, he's gonna make a Frankenstein out of this, isn't he? No, I won't do that because iPods, as you know, are my favorite Apple devices. Instead, I have picked up a transparent faceplate for £10. Now, there's nothing wrong with the original faceplate, it's just that it's plain white and, well, it's just plain and boring looking and, well, every other thing that just makes it look dull. When disassembling this, you've got to be careful because I cracked the screw part on the top. Anyway, here we have the display. Now don't be like me just flinging this around. Now that could really destroy the cable and you don't want that to happen. Here we have the battery and the casing of the back. Well, unfortunately, I won't be able to upgrade the battery for this for now because I don't have the part, so... Okay, here in my hand we have the hard drive, 30 gigabyte. Oh shit. Okay, from here I'll just put the display within this frame here, like this. Then you get your faceplate and you try to carefully actually no, hold on, don't be stupid, don't do that. You get the faceplate and then you just try to clip it on. Try to, I said, so you just gotta really, you know what, no, force it in. There we go. Okay, now onto the screws. Now, okay, this should be really easy, just don't lose them. Okay, first screw in, here we go, righty-tighty. Okay, that sounded pretty weird. Okay, second screw in, do it again, twist to the right, here we go. Last one on this side, keep on doing it, twisting. Okay, damn, these screws are really tight. They're really hard to tighten up. Oh. Okay, onto the other side, do it again, obviously. And then repeat this for another 2 times and then you should be okay then. Missing screws is a pretty common problem, so I would advise you trying to get like a plastic container and put all your screws in. Don't leave it out on the table like that, you know, so that you know where your screws are going to go next. Okay, last screw now, we should almost be okay. And okay, this one's done. Right, so we have here is the display cable. Now tuck that right in. Now make sure you could just slide that right in. Try and push the lever down so that it could clip together. So that just, there we go, we should be alright. Just, there we go. Nice, okay, so here, let's get the hard drive and tuck that right in there. Okay, this might be a little difficult, but you can just about plug it in. So you have to try your best. Now, don't do it too hard, but try and, put some force in there. There we go. Okay, now time to get the back casing. Plug the audio jack cable to the right here. Anyway, just realizing this is upside down, so put it actually the right way up. There we go. I would like to say that did order a gold back casing for the iPod 7 gen. Yeah, and I believe that's going to come within July time. Anyway, we got that plugged in. Okay, now for the fun part, we're just plugging in back the battery. Well, okay, so this is usually not that difficult, but actually plugging it in, okay, depends on the angle. So I tried to use this way and well, it kind of worked, but it took us several tries, so just keep on doing it and you should be able to get it right in there. First time unlucky, well, if you keep on trying you should be able to plug it in, so keep on doing it and almost there. Yep. Okay, and here we go. There we go. Okay, now just clip everything back together, starting from the top and slowly move down to the bottom. And then do it again from the other side, and we are done. There we go. Okay, now actually see if this works. Turn this on, and then, oh, here we go. I can hear the click wheel sound, so, alright. Okay, scrolling through. So the click wheel is fine. Now time to peel this off. Ta-da! Okay, so let's just check that away. And now, well, just scrolling through, seeing, yep, it's all fine. Unfortunately, I do want a transparent back case though, but I can't find that anywhere on eBay. Not in the UK anyway though, so it's a shame. But I would like to find one of those soon eventually. And, well, time to get the earpods out. And, well, let's see. Okay, now, alright, let's put the usual track on. That usually goes really well with every iPod music. Where are you? Okay, here we go. See if you work. Come on. Okay, so it's lagging. It's maybe the hard drive's not probably. Maybe. Come on, you can work. Come on. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. So I see the image. There we go. That's nice. Okay, can't play that for too long, otherwise I'll get demonetized. So here we go. We have a clear, transparent iPod 5th gen, and well, I was originally going to show you off this, but unfortunately I didn't have the time back then. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.